Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, June 6th, and today I have a variety of things to share with you. The first one is so adorable. This is the Wave It quilt and the Wave It quilt kit. That whole thing is a kit. It's very cute. This adorable kit will stitch up quickly in time for your July 4th celebrations. The kit includes the pattern Wave It by Patchabilities and the fabric for the top and the binding. The patterns will be back in stock soon if you want just a pattern, so you can leave your email address on the pattern page and then you'll get a notification when it comes in, because all the patterns we got are currently in kits. We also have new in the store the August door banner of the month for Riley Blake Designs, and we do have a sample of that over there above the checkout desk, but I don't think you're going to be able to see it well from here. But it's a really pretty door banner, and if you weren't going to do all 12, that's honestly perfect for all of summer as well. It finishes at 20 inches wide by 36 inches long, so it's really perfect for a lot of door sizes. Next up, we have tons of new patterns, so I'm just going to flip through them quickly, and I'll link to our patterns section of our website in the description of the video. Lots of really good ideas. I love how modern that is. That would be fun to do with selvages, actually. And lots of pretties. This would be great for a pre-cut. I think that's probably strips. Let's see, a layer cake or assorted prints. And then we have 3 new books, Jelly Roll Quilts for All Seasons, and that one definitely is made for strips. And then we have Stash Busting 3-yard quilts. So these the whole Fabric Cafe thing is about making lots of different quilts with just 3 yards of fabric. So if you have 3 yards laying around, or you want to go cut 3 yards, it's a really quick cut and go. And then this is Go Bold with 3-yard quilts. And again, here's a bunch of 3-yard quilt options that they have inside this book. So we always have tons of inspiration for you, tons of grab and goes, and lots of things to see while you're here. Don't forget, our sale continues through June 10th, which I believe is next Monday. So right now, everything in the store that is regularly priced is 25% end of bolts. So that goes for all fabric bolts, even backing bolts. And then our sale section has an extra sale doubled. So whatever's on sale then got 10% more sale. So we have everything from $4.50 a yard on up, and we've got some great designers and name brand stuff back there. So be sure you check our website under the sales section, or if you're local, come in and grab some of those end of bolts. The ends are always the best because that means somebody else already loved most of that yardage, so it's definitely not going to the sale section. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.